Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something deeply personal, something that quietly shapes the direction of our lives. We are going to talk about identity and self-acceptance. Not the fake version that social media sometimes shows. Not the idea that you must suddenly love every part of yourself overnight. Real self-acceptance. The kind that grows slowly, honestly, and powerfully over time. Many people spend years trying to become someone else. They compare themselves to others, copy different personalities, and hide the parts of themselves they think are not good enough. But the truth is this: the moment you begin to understand who you truly are, life starts to feel lighter. Decisions become clearer. Confidence becomes natural. And the constant pressure to pretend slowly disappears. In today's world, identity has become confusing for many people. Everywhere we look, we see different standards of success, beauty, intelligence, and personality. Social media shows carefully edited lives where everyone seems confident, successful, and happy all the time. When people constantly see these images, they begin to question themselves. They start thinking, maybe I'm not good enough. They start changing their behavior to fit expectations. They stop expressing their real opinions. Slowly, they build a version of themselves that is designed to please others rather than reflect their true nature. Over time, this creates a deep sense of disconnection. A person may look successful from the outside, but inside they feel uncertain about who they really are. The truth is that identity is not something you find in a single moment. It is something you build through awareness, experiences, and honest reflection. Every person carries unique strengths, weaknesses, values, fears, dreams, and habits. These elements combine to form who you are. But many people never take the time to explore these parts of themselves. Instead, they keep chasing external validation. They wait for approval from friends, family, colleagues, or society. The problem with this approach is simple. If your identity depends on approval, then your confidence will always be unstable. One compliment can make you feel strong, but one criticism can make you feel lost. True stability comes only when you understand yourself deeply enough that your worth does not depend on constant approval. If you want to develop strong self-acceptance, the first step is honest self-awareness. This means looking at yourself clearly without exaggerating your strengths and without exaggerating your flaws. Many people fall into one of two extremes. Some people constantly criticize themselves and believe they are never good enough. Other people refuse to acknowledge their weaknesses and pretend everything is perfect. Both extremes create problems. Real growth begins when you can say, "These are my strengths, and these are the areas where I need to improve." This balanced view allows you to grow without destroying your self-respect. Self-awareness does not mean judging yourself harshly. It means observing yourself with curiosity and honesty. Another important part of identity is understanding your values. Values are the principles that guide your decisions. They determine what feels meaningful and what feels empty. Some people value creativity. Some value stability. Others value freedom, family, learning, or helping others. When you are clear about your values, your decisions become easier. For example, if someone deeply values creativity, they will feel frustrated in an environment that restricts self-expression. But if they understand this value clearly, they can make choices that align with it. Many people experience confusion in life simply because they are living according to someone else's values rather than their own. Self-acceptance also requires learning to make peace with imperfections. No human being is perfect. Everyone has habits they wish they could change, mistakes they regret, and qualities they sometimes struggle with. The goal of self-acceptance is not to ignore these imperfections but to recognize that they are part of being human. When people constantly fight against themselves, they create internal stress. They feel as if they are never enough. But when people learn to acknowledge their imperfections while still respecting themselves, something powerful happens. Their energy shifts from self-criticism to self-improvement. Instead of feeling ashamed of mistakes, they begin to treat mistakes as lessons that guide future growth. Another challenge many people face is the fear of judgment. Humans naturally want to be accepted by others. This desire is normal and healthy to some extent. However, when fear of judgment becomes too strong, it prevents people from expressing their authentic identity. A person might stay silent during conversations even when they have meaningful ideas. Someone might hide their interests because they worry others will not understand. Over time, this behavior creates frustration because the person feels invisible. Real confidence begins to grow when people slowly allow themselves to be seen as they truly are. Not everyone will agree with you. Not everyone will understand your choices. But when you stop trying to satisfy everyone, you create space to build genuine relationships with people who appreciate the real version of you. If you're someone who wants to grow emotionally, build confidence, and understand yourself on a deeper level, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, we explore practical ideas, powerful mindsets, and honest conversations that help you grow step by step. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress and self-understanding. Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey of growth together. A powerful way to strengthen your identity is through reflection. Reflection means regularly taking time to think about your experiences, your decisions, and your emotions. Many people move through life so quickly that they never pause to understand themselves. But when you reflect, patterns begin to appear. You notice what activities energize you and what situations drain you. You begin to recognize which relationships support your growth and which ones create unnecessary stress. Reflection acts like a mirror that reveals parts of your identity that were previously hidden. Over time, this awareness helps you make better decisions because you understand what truly aligns with your nature. Another important part of self-acceptance is learning to separate your identity from your achievements. Modern culture often measures people by external success, grades, income, job titles, social status, or public recognition. While achievements can be meaningful, they do not define a person's value. When people tie their identity entirely to achievements, they experience intense pressure. Every failure feels like a personal collapse. But when people understand that their identity is deeper than their achievements, they become more resilient. They can pursue goals with dedication while still maintaining self-respect during setbacks. This balance allows growth without emotional exhaustion. Relationships also play a major role in shaping identity. The people around us influence how we see ourselves. Supportive relationships encourage authenticity. They allow us to express ideas, explore new interests, and grow without fear. On the other hand, relationships built on constant criticism or comparison can damage self-acceptance. If someone is surrounded by voices that always question their worth, they may begin to believe those messages. That is why it is important to choose relationships that respect individuality. Healthy relationships do not require you to erase your personality. Instead, they create an environment where both people can grow while remaining true to themselves. Another powerful step towards self-acceptance is learning to treat yourself with compassion. Many people speak to themselves in ways they would never speak to a friend. They use harsh language, constant criticism, and unrealistic expectations. But imagine how different life would feel if you treated yourself with the same kindness you offer others. Self-compassion does not mean ignoring mistakes or avoiding responsibility. It means recognizing that growth takes time. It means encouraging yourself during difficult moments instead of attacking your own character. Research in psychology consistently shows that people who practice self-compassion are more resilient, more motivated, and more emotionally balanced. Identity also evolves over time. The person you were 5 years ago is not exactly the same person you are today. Experiences change us. Lessons shape our thinking. New challenges reveal hidden strengths. Accepting this natural evolution is part of healthy self-acceptance. Some people feel trapped by their past identity. They believe they must remain the same person forever. But growth requires flexibility. As you learn more about yourself, your goals may change, your interests may shift, and your priorities may evolve. This is not confusion. This is development. The key is to remain honest with yourself as you grow. One of the most powerful ways to strengthen identity is by taking small actions that align with your values. Identity is not built only through thinking, it is built through behavior. When you repeatedly act according to your values, your brain begins to recognize a clear pattern. For example, if someone values learning and they consistently read, explore ideas, and ask thoughtful questions, they begin to see themselves as a curious learner. If someone values kindness and they consistently support others, they begin to see themselves as a compassionate person. Over time, these repeated actions reinforce a stable sense of identity. Another helpful practice is limiting comparison. Comparison is one of the fastest ways to weaken self-acceptance. When people constantly measure their lives against others, they forget that everyone has a different journey. Each person has unique circumstances, opportunities, and challenges. What looks like success from the outside may hide struggles that are invisible. Instead of measuring your life against someone else's timeline, it is healthier to measure progress against your own past. Ask yourself simple questions. Am I learning? Am I growing? Am I becoming more honest with myself? These questions create a healthier perspective on personal development. Self-acceptance does not mean you stop improving yourself. In fact, it creates the foundation for meaningful improvement. When people accept themselves, they feel safe enough to grow. They can admit weaknesses without feeling ashamed. They can seek help without feeling inferior. They can experiment with new ideas without fearing failure. This mindset transforms growth from a stressful obligation into an exciting journey. Instead of constantly trying to prove your worth, you begin focusing on expanding your potential. At its core, identity is about alignment. It is about living in a way that reflects your true values, interests, and beliefs. When your actions, thoughts, and goals align with who you really are, life feels more authentic. You experience less internal conflict and more clarity. Self-acceptance allows this alignment to develop because you stop hiding from your own nature. Instead, you begin building a life that reflects it. The journey toward identity and self-acceptance is not something that happens instantly. It unfolds gradually through awareness, reflection, and consistent action. There will be moments of uncertainty. There will be moments when old doubts return. But every time you choose honesty over pretense, compassion over criticism, and growth over fear, you move closer to a stable sense of self. Over time, the person you are becoming will feel more natural, more confident, and more peaceful. Remember this simple truth: you do not need to become someone else to have value. Your task is to understand yourself, accept yourself, and develop the strengths that already exist within you. When you stop running from who you are, you finally gain the freedom to grow into the best version of yourself. And once that process begins, the confidence and clarity you were searching for start to appear naturally in every area of life. As you continue this journey, remember that self-acceptance is not a final destination but an ongoing relationship with yourself. Some days you will feel confident and clear about who you are. Other days you may feel uncertain again. This is normal. Growth is rarely a straight line. What truly matters is your willingness to return to honesty every time doubt appears. Each moment you choose to understand yourself rather than criticize yourself, you strengthen the foundation of your identity. Over time, the small choices you make every day begin to shape a stronger sense of self. When you speak honestly, follow your values, and allow yourself to grow without constant comparison, your confidence slowly becomes natural. You no longer feel the need to prove your worth to everyone around you. Instead, you begin living with quiet assurance. The more you accept who you are, the more freedom you gain to explore who you can become. In the end, identity is not about perfection. It is about authenticity. It is about learning, evolving, and respecting the person you are becoming. When you finally stop fighting yourself, you discover something powerful. The person you were searching for has been within you all along. And from that moment forward, life becomes less about pretending and more about living truthfully. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.